Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see various types of government medical colleges in India. If you are going to attend NEET counseling for MBBS admission for the first time, it is important that you start your learning with various types of medical colleges. Tuition fees, various quotas available, seat distribution, compulsory service bond, stipend amount depends on the type of the medical college. This video is part of MBBS admission counseling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course on video course section of the MBBSCouncil Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. When someone asks you how many types of medical colleges are available, everyone will quickly answer these two major types: government and private medical colleges. There are 321 government medical colleges in India with close to 48,400 MBBS seats. During 2019 admission, the total government MBBS seats were close to 32,000 for NEET MBBS admission counseling. For 2020, there was an increase of 10,000 MBBS seats in government colleges. This is mainly because of addition of seats for EWS quota and aggressive approval of new medical colleges by Medical Council of India. During 2021 admission, the total government MBBS seats were close to 46,000. As of August 15, 2022, the total government MBBS seats are 48,400. For this year also, many new medical colleges have got approval from NMC. We are expecting more than 25 new government medical colleges to participate in 2022 NEET counseling, taking the total government college MBBS seats to more than 50,000. There are 291 private medical colleges with close to 43,600 MBBS seats. Total MBBS seats available in India is close to 92,000. During 2023, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare will achieve its target of 1 lakh MBBS seat intake per year. Let's see the various types of government medical colleges. Very few medical colleges in India are run by central government, and most of the medical colleges in India are run by the state government. Let's begin with the Institute of National Importance, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which is an autonomous institution. Then comes Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, famously known as JIPMER, Puducherry. Most of the medical colleges in Delhi are run by the central government. This includes Maulana Azad Medical College, Lady Hardinge Medical College, University College of Medical Sciences, Bardhaman Mahavir Medical College, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, or Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Medical College. In the northeastern region, two medical colleges are run by central government. Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences in Shillong and Rural Institute of Medical Sciences in Impal. We will see in detail about each of these colleges a little later in another video. Then comes government aided medical colleges. These colleges are managed by government corporations or societies. 11 ESI medical colleges are run by ESI Corporation. 2 Army medical colleges, one is Armed Forces Medical College located at Pune, and the other is Army College of Medical Sciences, Delhi. This allows only children of Army personnel to join this college. There is a separate video on ESI which talks in detail about the reservation and how and where to apply. There are 2 government deemed universities, namely Banaras Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University, both located in Uttar Pradesh, run by the central government. State government runs nearly 90% of the government medical colleges in India. Osmania Medical College is run by the Telangana state government. Madras Medical College is run by Tamil Nadu state government. Savai Mansingh Medical College is run by Rajasthan government. These type of state-run government medical colleges have all India quota as well as state quota seats, except Jammu Kashmir, which has only state quota. During NEET 2022 counseling, Jammu Kashmir government colleges are expected to have all India quota seats. The last college type is state government aided medical college, which are not directly run by the state government but through government societies. Gujarat has few medical colleges: Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation Medical College, Surat Municipal Institute of Medical Education, run by the respective municipalities. These colleges have local quota seats reserved for students who belong to that municipality region. In Gujarat, there are 7 medical colleges run by Gujarat Medical Education and Research Society, shortly called as GMERS, which has management as well as NRI quota seats. In general, government-aided colleges would charge higher tuition fees compared to government colleges. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET counseling, you can contact the counselor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBSCouncil app. Our counselors will answer them when they find free time. See you in another video.